Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning podcast where we help you speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. My name is Sarah, and I am feeling really good today because I love talking about simple English topics that help people in real life.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our lovely listeners who are joining us today from different places around the world. My name is Ali, and I am very happy to be here because today's topic is useful for school, work, and daily conversations.
Before we begin, I want to ask how you are feeling today because learning works best when you feel relaxed and comfortable. When you enjoy the lesson, your brain remembers English more easily.
That is so true, Sarah, because stress makes learning difficult and slow. When we feel calm and friendly, English starts to feel simple and possible.
So today, our topic is how to talk about yourself in English in an easy and natural way. Many learners feel nervous when someone asks them a simple question like, "Can you tell me about yourself?"
Yes, and this question is very common in real life, especially when you meet new people or start something new. But the good news is that you do not need long or perfect answers to sound confident.
Before we continue, please remember to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English. Your support helps us create more relaxed and helpful lessons for you.
And if you are listening while walking, resting, or drinking tea, that is wonderful because English can be part of your normal day. You do not need to sit at a desk to learn something new.
Now, let's start with the most basic and important part when talking about yourself, and that is your name. You can simply say your name clearly and slowly, and that is already a great start.
Yes, for example, you can say, "My name is Ali," and then pause and smile. A smile makes your English sound more friendly, even if your grammar is not perfect.
After your name, people often talk about where they are from because it helps others understand you better. You can say the name of your country or city without adding many details.
That's right, and you can say something simple like, "I am from Pakistan," or "I am from a small town." Simple sentences are strong sentences.
Now, let's talk about where you live, because this is another common part of introductions. You can talk about living in a city, a town, or even a quiet place.
Yes, and you can add one feeling word, like busy or calm, to make your sentence more interesting. For example, "I live in a busy city, and I like the energy."
Another topic people often ask about is work or study, and this is very normal in conversations. You can say what you do without explaining everything.
Exactly, and you can say, "I am a student," or "I work as a teacher," and that is enough. You do not need to give your full life story.
Now let me explain a helpful word here, and that word is job, which means the work you do to earn money. Many people like to talk about their job because it is a big part of daily life.
And if you do not work, you can talk about learning, studying, or even looking for work. All answers are okay, and English is flexible.
After that, you can talk a little about your family if you feel comfortable. You can say how many people are in your family or mention one person.
Yes, you can say something simple like, "I have one sister," or "I live with my parents." Short sentences are clear and easy to understand.
Now let's talk about pets, because many people love animals and enjoy this topic. Talking about a pet can make the conversation warmer and more friendly.
That's true, and you can say, "I have a cat," or "I have a dog," and maybe add one small detail like friendly or lazy.
Another fun and important part of talking about yourself is sharing what you like. Likes help people find things in common with you.
Yes, for example, you can say, "I like music," or "I enjoy watching movies," and suddenly the conversation becomes more interesting.
You can also talk about hobbies, which are activities you do in your free time for fun. Hobbies show your personality in a natural way.
That's right, and you can say, "In my free time, I like reading," or "I enjoy playing sports on the weekend." These sentences are easy and useful.
Sometimes it is also okay to say what you do not like, because this is part of being honest. You do not need to like everything.
Yes, you can say, "I don't like very spicy food," or "I don't enjoy waking up early." These sentences sound very natural.
So when someone asks you to talk about yourself, you can choose only a few topics. You do not need to talk about everything at once.
Exactly. You can change your answer depending on the place and situation. Talking in class is different from talking at a party or at work.
Now we want to ask you a simple practice question, and you can answer it in the comments below. What is one thing you like to do in your free time?
And here is another easy question for you to think about calmly. Where are you from? And what do you like about your place?
As we finish today's episode, remember that speaking about yourself is not a test. It is just a friendly way to connect with people.
Yes, be simple, be honest, and be relaxed when you speak. Confidence grows when you practice little by little.
Thank you so much for listening today and learning English with us in a calm and friendly way. We are very happy to spend this time with you.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. We will see you again very soon with another easy and helpful English lesson.